To assemble the device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Loosen the pre-attached screw located on the hose storage clip. Secure the hose storage clip onto the carpet cleaner body by tightening the screw. Wrap the power cord loosely around the quick release cord hooks and secure the plug to the power cord. Select an attachment and slide it onto the end of the suction hose until it clicks into place. Clip the suction hose into the hose storage clip when not in use. Fasten the hose cleaning tool around the carpet cleaner handle for easy storage.